Shut down the thinking machine and use inner silence to create unbending intent. On this episode of All Things Perceptual. The evening before last, I was out in my garden picking fresh peas. For the first time this year, I noticed a swarm of mosquitoes in the air. They were everywhere, buzzing in my ears and biting me. Considering that I found this to be very annoying, I decided to use intent to keep the mosquitoes at bay. Intent begins with a sober command given to oneself. So I said to myself, I am going to repel these mosquitoes. They will fly away from me, and I won't even notice any mosquitoes at all. I repeated this phrase a few times, and then activated my intent with inner silence. I kept my mind 100% focused on just the unbending intent of driving the mosquitoes away from me. Not talking to myself about it or singing a song in my head, just pure focus. It didn't work right away. Mosquitoes were landing all over me and biting my face and back. Part of making intent work is having the confidence that it has to work. So even though mosquitoes would bite me every time my concentration broke, the technique was starting to work. As long as I kept inner silence and focused on my intent, the mosquitoes would fly away from me. After keeping this up for a couple of minutes, my intent was set, and the mosquitoes left me alone for the rest of the night. This can be applied to anything in life, with concentration and faith. So to reiterate, step 1 is to voice your intent to yourself. Then, concentrate on the intent with inner silence. You must have confidence and faith that it will work. You must believe that this is a rule of the universe,